Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm the founder of universityparent.com, and we help parents find everything they need to help their students succeed at school. Today we're talking with Skyler, who's going off to college in the fall, and she's helping us check out the OCM Complete Campus Value Pack.
Yay, my OCM box is finally here. Let's see what's inside. A micro plush blanket. This looks soft. Ooh, a comforter. I like the pattern. Mattress pad. That'll be nice to keep the mattress comfortable. Ooh, lots of bath sheets. Under bed bag to keep all my stuff. Ooh, I really like the pattern of these sheets. Lots more towels. 6-piece towel set. 2 pillows. Nice and comfortable. That's very nice.
Perfect.
Keep it extra comfortable.
All right.
Oh.
Skyler, what did you think of everything?
I loved all of it. It's so much stuff, like everything I need, and it's just I think it's so much easier to just grab all of just a box and be able to go to college with it all.
Awesome. Yeah, I think it's really convenient, and I think it's so nice that instead of having to go store by store and try and find all of your different things, you can get it all in one place and shipped for free straight to campus or straight home, either way. So one of the things I've been talking to OCM about is that they've really upped their quality from last year. And I was curious just on your take, one of the things that they had from last year, this is an example of the blanket they had last year. And
oh wow, they've definitely made a huge upgrade.
Yeah.
This one's much softer and I mean, just more comfortable, honestly.
Definitely.
This one's very thin.
Yeah, I think the new one is way better, way
better.
cozier.
I will definitely be using that.
For sure. And then the other thing they did was they made a big jump in the quality of the sheets. These sheet sets are made from a microfiber blend to ensure both softness and durability. So it's super cozy comparatively to the
Oh, I do notice that. They seem more movable and much more comfortable.
Awesome. And one of the other things that I think is so great about OCM is that they're all guaranteed until graduation. And so if there's anything that doesn't work out or anything you don't love, their customer service is amazing and they can always help you if you need anything.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, awesome. Well, thanks so much for checking out the Complete Campus Pak, and good luck with moving to college.
Yeah, I'm very excited. Thank you.
Thanks. Thanks so much for joining us today to check out OCM's Complete Campus Pak. If you want to learn more, go to ocm.com and you can order a Complete Campus Pak for yourself. Thanks so much.